This is my colony. The road is getting better. This all happened while I was sleeping. The good days are coming to Nagaland, especially with the road. It's improving so much. My guests will be happy to come to my house now without any second thought. Still feel shy to shoot in public, so I have come to this corner and shooting some videos for you. This is how it looks, Kohima. This is called the Shekhazou point, the central place of Kohima, where all the transit happen. Beautiful place. It has been seen by the doctor. Doctor seems to be very good.
That is the doctor who showed to your mother also.
Okay, so the doctor seems to be very polite and nice. It's always wise to get double checkup by doctors so that we know what is the real root of the symptom. So I'm having basically the same medicine, not different. Did you do errand to your ear?
Shoot water and then the dirt came out.
Huh?
Black thing.
Really? So you feel okay?
Disgusting. Good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Doctor seems to be good?
Yeah.
Yeah.